Hey guys, so this next one problem that we're trying out, this one's an easy one. It just asks you to count up the number of carbons, count up the number of hydrogens. So this is pretty easy. I drew in some random things, so don't worry about what it is. But to do these types of questions, I mean, the first thing I would like to do is we'll answer each question by itself. How about that? So let's start off with carbon. So all you're really looking for is the intersection points. You have one, two, three, four, five, six. So you actually have six carbons. It's literally as simple as that. And you don't need to think too much into it. There you go. It's six. All right, for the hydrogens, we're looking at a little bit of a different case. What I would say to do is just draw them in, to be honest with you. It's going to take a little bit, but it might be a little bit easier for you to do. Now, what you need to keep in mind is what will get this carbon to an octet. Okay, so carbon already had one angle right here. We know that it needs four lines total, right? So I added in three lines. That's three hydrogens right there. Plus, okay, we come over to this one. This carbon already has one, two lines. So that means we just need to add two hydrogens to it. So that means we got two hydrogens on that one. This one over down here, we know that it has one, two, three lines. So we just need to add one hydrogen. Okay, then we come over to this one right here. Again, it's got one, two, and three lines. So once again, I can just go ahead and add one hydrogen. Okay, and then on this one, we know that it has one, two, three. Again, just we need to add one. And then on the final one right here, again, you have the one up there and the two, I mean, sorry, one, two up there. So that means you got three and four to add. So now it has one, two, three, four lines connected to the carbon. So now you're going to add two more. So in total, how many hydrogens do you have? You have 6, 7, 8, 10 total hydrogens. So just like that, it's not too difficult to count them up. You're looking for intersection points for where the carbons are at, and you just want to draw in where the hydrogens are at. And the best way to know where to draw hydrogens is literally anywhere where you need to fill up an octet where a carbon is at. So that's where you know where to assume that the hydrogens are